Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing it onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make your very own Montreal steak seasoning. So, let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today because I ran out of Montreal steak seasoning and I plan on making steaks for supper. Now, why should I run all the way across town when I can make my own Montreal steak seasoning? Well, seeing that I had to make myself some, I thought I'd bring you along. So, what you're going to be needing is 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 4 tablespoons kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon ground coriander, and then 1 tablespoon of dill seed, 1 tablespoon crushed red pepper, and then half a tablespoon of dried thyme, half a tablespoon of dried rosemary, and then 1 tablespoon of chipotle pepper. And then I like to add just 1 little secret ingredient. Dun dun dun! You all know my love for my honey powder, so of course I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of my honey powder. Okay, and there's my honey powder. Now, let's go ahead and mix that all up. Now, you can either use 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, or I use 1 teaspoon of the dried mustard. Now, like I said, let's go ahead and mix this all up. And you want to make sure you mix it up very good. So take your time in mixing this whole mixture up. And here it is, all mixed up. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a canning jar. And there you go, almost a full pint full of Montreal steak seasoning. Now, folks, If you liked what you saw here today, please be sure to go down below, give me a big old thumbs up, be sure to leave a comment. I love to hear what each and every one of you all have to sit there and say. And most of all, be sure to sit there and share this recipe with others and help me spread the news of my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I want to sit there and welcome each and every one of you to my channel here. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please go up above, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. You'll be notified every time I do put out a new video. And I want to sit there and thank you for taking the time out to watch my videos here. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?